Good morning, Fraser River Middle School, room 305, Division 1 and Division 3. Today is Wednesday, April the 8th. Question for you. Anyone else having a hard time keeping track of the days? I am. The days are all starting to blend in, and I find that part of the way, or one thing that helps me keep track of the days is that I actually get dressed on weekdays. I allow myself to stay in pajamas on the weekends, but on weekdays, to distinguish the work and the teaching from the get to do whatever you want days or lay on the couch all day days, I decide to get dressed. It helps me a little bit with that one. Although I'll say that I'm dressing far comfier than I would if I were at school. But yeah, getting dressed helps, and it's a little bit about creating that routine, right? So today we're starting off a routine with our morning chat video. Good morning. As always, first priority of the day is going to be you taking care of yourself and your family members, doing what you need to for you, your mental well-being, and to support family and friends and reaching out to them and seeing how they are all doing. Next up, watching the video, which I know you are. Then you're going to head over to the classworks where you're going to see different things, and you do the random questions, and you're going to do the engagement activities and the would you rather. For yesterday's engagement activity, it was Trip Tuesday, and I asked you all where you would like to travel to if you could. Two people stood out. Well, actually, the number of you stood out. Two people stood out that both said that they wanted to travel to their bed so they could sleep at any time and do whatever they want. Didn't seem to really care about traveling anywhere else in the world. For the rest of you, you had some pretty common spots. At least I consider them common. But there were a few that had some interesting ones. So here are a couple of the interesting ones. The common ones I'll put in the description for today. Who knew that there was an island named Pemba? Apparently Pemba did. But that's awesome. I never knew, and I never heard of such a thing. So, of course, me being the teacher, me being curious, I had to go ahead and I had to take a look and see where this island existed because it's cool, right? It's a Tanzanian island. Pretty awesome. So that was one of the original ones. One of the other original ones was Dubai in the UAE. No one else had mentioned anything such like it, and they wanted to see the different culture and the different backgrounds that were there because of the diversity. Then, of course, there's a whole bunch from Europe. I will say that of all of them, I have been to 9 of the 20 different spots that you've chosen. Mostly Europe, and I don't think, all the European spots that I've been to, that you all chose, I've been to. There's some of you that chose different parts in Asia. While I've been to Asia, I haven't been to the countries that you all chose and you've all selected. But it's great getting to see where some of you want to go. Many of you chose destinations based on meeting family members that you've never seen before. Others have chosen locations based on what they've heard and their beauty. And some have chosen language or areas to visit based on learning and things that they've heard that are interested in history. So that's pretty cool to see the diversity in why you each want to choose to travel to different locations around the world or in your bedroom. So after the random questions and after your classworks, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be making sure that you head to Mr. Oatway's classroom because he has a couple of activities for you there this week for math and for personal well-being, as well as your PHE, your PE, your health, your exercise. Make sure you get that done. Following that up with a little bit of above and beyond, some reading, maybe some writing, getting some fresh air, even if it's sticking your head out the window. I don't know. However you get your fresh air. If you're comfortable enough going for a walk, go for a walk. But just wanted to say, have a good day. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your weekend. This is a long weekend for all of you. It already is. But tomorrow's a professional development day, so you won't be seeing any of this tomorrow because I will be focusing more on learning and getting everything together for us to start for next week. So you have 5 days off. Let's see, 5 days off. You've already had a lot of days off, but 5 days off, so I can go ahead and I can put everything together. So tomorrow, don't expect anything from me. Don't expect anything on Good Friday, and don't expect anything on Easter weekend. Have a good weekend. Have a good Easter weekend. I hope it's as normal as it can be for you. I know a number of us aren't seeing our family like we normally would. But have a good weekend. Miss you all and see you all soon. We'll talk to you later. Bye.